In this video, we will explore the round functions in Excel. Rounding is an essential skill for anyone working with numerical data, and Excel provides three powerful functions to help you control decimal precision: round, round up, and round down. The round functions let you master the art of decimal control in Microsoft Excel. We'll explore each function and how they can be used effectively. Let's start with the basics of the round function. The round function is used to round a number to the nearest specified digit. Here's the syntax: equals round number, number underscore digits. The first argument, number, is the numeric value you want to round. The second argument, number underscore digits, specifies the number of digits to which you want to round the number. Now let's see some examples of the round function. Equals round 3.141592. Results in 3.14. This rounds the value 3.14159 to 2 decimal places. Equals round 125.678. 0. Results in 126. This rounds the value 125.678 to the nearest whole number. Equals round 1234.5 minus 1. Results in 1230. This rounds the value 1234.5 to the nearest 10. Next, let's discuss the ROUNDUP function. This function rounds a number up, away from 0, to the specified number of digits. Here's the syntax: equals roundup, number, number underscore digits. The number argument represents the numeric value you wish to round up. The number underscore digits argument indicates the number of digits to which the number should be rounded. Now let's look at some examples of the roundup function. Equals roundup 3.14159 results in 3.15. This rounds the value 3.14159 up to 2 decimal places. Equals roundup 125.1110. Results in 126. This rounds the value 125.111 up to the nearest whole number. Equals roundup 1234.1 minus 1. Results in 1240. This rounds the value 1234.1 up to the nearest 10. Now let's explore the ROUNDDOWN function. The ROUNDDOWN function rounds a number down, toward 0, to the specified number of digits. Here's the syntax: equals rounddown, number, number underscore digits. The number argument represents the numeric value you wish to round down. The number underscore digits argument indicates the number of digits to which the number should be rounded. Here are some examples of the ROUNDDOWN function. Equals rounddown 3.14159 results in 3.14. This rounds the value 3.14159 down to 2 decimal places. Equals rounddown 125.999. 0. Results in 125. This rounds the value 125.999 down to the nearest whole number. Equals rounddown 1239.9 minus 1. Results in 1230. This rounds the value 1239.9 down to the nearest 10. Now let's take a closer look at the number underscore digits parameter, which controls decimal places. Let's consider the parameter values. A value of 2, that is 2, rounds to 2 decimal places. A value of 0, that is 0, rounds to the nearest whole number. A value of -1, that is -1, rounds to the nearest 10. A value of -2, that is -2, rounds to the nearest 100. Let's see how these parameter values work in practice. Equals round 123.456. 1. Results in 123.5. Equals round 123.456. 0. Results in 123. Equals round 123.456 minus 1. Results in 120. Let's do a side-by-side comparison of the round, roundup, and rounddown functions with the same input value to highlight the result. In the first row, with an input value of 3.14159 and 2 digits, the round function returns 3.14, the roundup function returns 3.15, and the rounddown function returns 3.14. In the second row, with an input value of 7.555 and 1 digit, the round function returns 7.6, the roundup function returns 7.6, and the rounddown function returns 7.5. In the third row, with an input value of 125.99 and 0 digits, the round function returns 126, the roundup function returns 126, and the rounddown function returns 125. Now, let's create a practical example of how these round functions can be applied in an Excel worksheet. Here we have a sales commission calculator. Column A contains the sales amount, and columns B, C, and D contain the round, roundup, and rounddown values. Let's see the formulas. In cell B2, the formula is equals round A22. In cell C2, the formula is equals roundup A22. In cell D2, the formula is equals rounddown A22. So if A2 is 1234.567, the results in the next row will be 1234.57, 1234.57, and 1234.56 respectively. Similarly, if A3 is 9876.123, the results will be 9876.12, 9876.13, and 9876.12. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. First, choose the right function. Use round for the nearest value, round up to the ceiling, and round down to the floor. Second, control precision by using the number underscore digits parameter to control the number of decimal places and the rounding position for precise calculations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.